So we want to solve this equation. The trick here is to multiply both the top and bottom guys with 1 over x to the power 5. The question is, can we do so? The answer is yes. The only problem is if x is 0. If x is 0, then 1 over 0 is infinity. But look at this given equation. Can x be 0? If x is 0, then we get 0 plus 0 divided by 0 plus 0. In other words, 0 divided by 0, which is undefined, which cannot be possible because this left hand side must be 7 over 2. It means that x is in fact non-zero. Okay, so then what is the next step? Just FOIL this guy, so just multiply this guy with both of them. So what do we get? So here we have x to the 7 divided by x to the 5. Just subtract the powers, so we will get x to the 2 plus here we have 3 and we have 5 here. So we will get 1 over x to the 2 divided by 6 minus 5 is x plus 1 over x is equal to 7 divided by 2. Okay, next what I want to do is the following. So I want to let y is equal to this complicated thing, x plus 1 over x, then y square will be x plus 1 over x whole square, right? So let's simplify the square, open the square, so x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times first times the second, and then this is x square plus 1 over x square, and if you simplify x times x is just x divided by 1 over x is 1, so we have 2 here. On the left hand side I had y square, so bring the 2 to the other side, so we will have y square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 over x square. So we have one this guy equal to y, and the other one we have these values. So let's plug in these values into this equation. So what was this thing again? That was y square minus 2 divided by x plus 1 over x was y equal to the right hand side. Next we can multiply with 2y, 2 times y on both sides to get rid of the fractions. Then what do we get on the right hand side? We get 7y, and on the left hand side the y is going to cancel with each other, so 2 times y square is 2y square minus 2 times 2 is 4. So we get this quadratic equation. So can we simplify this quadratic equation further? 2y square minus, bring this to the other side, 7y minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's solve this quadratic equation. Can we solve this quadratic equation? Let's try. So y is equal to minus b, minus times minus 7 plus minus square root of b square, which will be negative 7 square, minus 4 times a is 2 and c is negative 4, divided by 2 times 2, the a is 2. Okay, so we can write it down, negative times negative is plus, so 7 plus minus, what do we get here? Square root of 49, minus times minus is plus, and 4 2s are 8, 8 times 4 is 32, divided by 2 2s are 4. So let's simplify, so we get 7 plus minus 49 plus 32 is 81 divided by 4. So we can further simplify it, so that will be equal to 7 plus minus square root of 81 is 9 divided by 4. So we can have two solutions from here, 7 plus 9 divided by 4, 7 minus 9 divided by 4. The first solution will be 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, and the other solution will be y equal to minus 2 divided by 4 is negative 1 over 2. Remember the value of y, so let's replace the value of y in both of these equations. So we will solve the first one. So again multiply x on both sides, so we will get x square plus 1 is equal to 4x. So let's work on this equation first. So x square, bring this to the other side, to the left side, so negative 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac, so b is here minus 4, so minus 4 square minus 4 times what is a is 1 in front of x square, and c is also 1, so that is equal to 16 minus 4 is equal to 12, which is positive. So we have real roots and we want real roots for x. So the real roots will be x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of delta divided by 2 times a. And what is b here? B is negative 4, so negative times negative 4 plus minus, we have the value of delta which is 12, and divided by 2a. A is equal to 1 here, so 2 times 1. So we will have 4 plus minus, and this 12 can be written as 4 times 3 divided by 2. And again, so 4 plus minus, we have square root of 4, so that square root of 4 is 2, so that 2 will come outside, and we will left with square root of 3 divided by 2. And if we simplify, then we can take 2 common from the top, and that 2 will cancel with this 2, so we will have 2 plus minus square root of 3. So these are the 2 roots from one equation that we got. Let's see if we can have any real roots here. So we will multiply both sides with 2x. So 2x here. If we multiply both sides with 2x, then this guy will be 2x square, plus if you multiply this 2x with this term, then that will be just 2, equal to these two cancel with each other, so we have minus x. Okay, so let's rearrange this quadratic equation, and we get 2 equal to 0. Find the discriminant. Delta is equal to, and what is b? B is here just 1 square minus 4 times 2 times 2 times this number is way bigger than 1, so we have a negative. So in this case we have no real roots. So these are the only real roots.